Kate. Yep. It's a lovely afternoon. Just out here in the woods today. Yeah. Anywho, discussing yet another issue of evolution. I've noticed that creationists seem to be under the impression that evolution is something that happens to individuals. That it is where a cat suddenly transforms into a dog. And that's not evolution, it's magic. And it is something that is actually predicted under every single creationist model as something that should happen. But it doesn't. And evolutionary biology explains exactly why it doesn't happen. The problem is, of course, creationists don't listen. But here I am, once again, expending the energy to try to explain this. Evolution happens not to individuals, but to populations. And it happens in small increments, not massive leaps. Tiny changes, caused by small genetic mutations that affect something small, something insignificant. Except that tiny, insignificant change does give a very slight advantage, a very small advantage. Not huge, but small. And that small advantage is all it takes to increase the ability of the individuals with the mutation to outbreed those of their brothers and sisters who do not have that same mutation. A small mutation is all it takes. That's it. It doesn't require anything huge. And it doesn't happen through magic. It happens through mutation. Genetic mutations caused by whatever. Stress in gestation is a very frequent one. And these tiny mutations, very tiny, accumulate. They build up. And if a population is genetically isolated from others of its species, these mutations will add up quite rapidly and quite thoroughly. And they will take over the genome to some degree. And they will sometimes lead to speciation. Now, this is not an absolute either, but it is the basic gist of things. So evolution doesn't happen to individuals, it happens to populations. Populations evolve. Populations evolve. And I hope that I made myself understood. I really do. I hope that I am understood. That would be nice. That would be very nice. Evolution happens to populations.